What's up guys, Emmanuel checking in here. I went ahead and I picked up a CIVIC-TYPE R steering wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install it, so check it out. Here it is guys. I went ahead and I opened it already. I've actually had this for a few weeks, maybe a month, and here is the item number. And this is a Honda OEM part, and I picked this up on eBay. I'd been shopping around for a while and looking at prices. I picked this up for $157 shipped with taxes included. You can find these on eBay, just make sure the item number matches. And this is the Type R steering wheel. So yeah guys, there it is. It is leather. It is supposed to be a little bit thicker. It kind of has a little bit of a flatter bottom compared to the stock 10th gen. It has the red inserts right here. The red stitching. It fits all 10th gen Civics. The new 2020 Civic and 2021 Civic Type Rs have an Alcantara, and I've heard a lot of bad things about Alcantara as far as it kind of like getting messy, and like if your hands are sweaty, kind of like wears out real quickly. So I did want to go with OEM Plus rather than like a carbon fiber steering wheel or a Mugen steering wheel. It was like 800 bucks. This was 150. It isn't too expensive, and it looks a lot nicer than what's currently stock on the car. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install it and how to remove the old steering wheel. So check it out. So I'll make sure the steering wheel is as straight as possible before I turn the car off. Looks about good. And disconnect the battery terminals so when I take the airbag, it doesn't blow up and hit me in the face. So to remove the airbag, the car has these little star-shaped little focus T-bit on each side, a T-bit bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. I'm gonna wait a few minutes since the airbag is off. So just so all the power isn't going through, so there isn't any chance of it blowing up. But yeah, so we're gonna remove these ones on each side and then pull the airbag out. All right guys, so I have this T30. It's like a star-shaped bit. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the airbag. So there you have it guys, one of these. Go put it in here. Number 2. Take this off. Airbag taken off here. And we're gonna have to figure out how to take these off here. One of these pick tools here. Take this off. That one's off. So you pull these little plastic things up. There we go. This one off. There we go. Steering wheel. So that was actually very simple. Very, very simple, guys. These little plastic tabs, like you pull up and then they click on there. And then this little thing, you kind of just press on top of this little tab here and you pull up. So yeah, guys, it's very simple. When you pull the airbag out, these little plastic tabs here, see if it's focusing. You pull them up, you pull these little 2 tabs up and pull out. And then the same thing with this, it has like a little tab here, you just press on it and then pull up and that pops out. And now all that's left is to take off this bolt right here in the middle. So yeah guys, it's gonna be this here. These are hex bits. I'm gonna pull this here. Yeah, I'm gonna need another set of hands. So it's a good idea to have a second set of hands here. Just a breaker bar. Ready? Gotta get a big breaker bar to break it. Now I should be good just with this one. This thing's like super tight. so this one's off. That was a bit of a doozy. And the steering wheel should just come right off. So steering wheel's off, guys. All that's left now is just to transfer the stuff from this steering wheel to the new steering wheel. So yeah. So yeah guys, I have the old steering wheel here and the new one, and all that's left is to transfer all of the buttons here to the new one and all of the trim and the back trim. And as 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws, and then this screw right here holding this ground wire. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove those and start taking all this trim off and transferring it over to the new steering wheel. Alright, so this is off. So I've been pressing down on this little clip here and then this here, kind of pressing it down with the screwdriver, and it's starting to come out. And then this one's kind of, I've kind of spaced this. I started pushing this trim here from the back side, and it's kind of starting to give, like, see if you could see this, it's kind of like moving already. So I'm gonna keep working at it until it pops out, and then press here. So I got this. Alright, so this is off. This stayed on there, but this whole piece is off now. Go ahead and finish removing this one here. So this one, okay, there we go. So everything is taken off the old steering wheel. Go ahead and just transfer everything back to the new one. So we'll just, this kind of lays right here like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer everything over to the new one. Do the same thing in reverse. So this goes right here. Go ahead and put this back in here. This goes here. Make sure that's all tightened up. So, and this just simply goes in to the back like this. So make sure these go in here. This is connected here like this. This one. And these going through here. So there we go, guys. This is in. I'm gonna go ahead and reattach the ground wire. Ground wire. Just go in here. These go in here. Like this. it is in. Then these must go after. So yeah guys, everything's reinstalled. All that's left now is just to put the steering wheel back onto the car and we're good to go. Looks way nicer. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on there until I'm completely done. But yeah guys, this is the old steering wheel, new steering wheel. Pretty cool, huh? I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall everything. Should be good to go. This one's up here. Oh fuck. What the? Gotta reinstall the airbag. Green obviously goes with green, like so. Make sure it snaps into place, and gray goes right here. Like this. And then we just go ahead and put this back in here. All that's left now is to install the 30-bit. And let's go ahead and hand tighten this. So that's it guys, that is the new steering wheel. Go ahead and take this plastic off. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah guys, new steering wheel definitely looks way nicer guys. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall the battery connections and make sure the horn works. But yeah guys, that was the install. So there you have it guys. I just reinstalled the battery terminals. Horn works, so yeah. And yeah, I wanted to go with the Type R steering wheel just because it's like an OEM plus and the price wasn't too bad, it wasn't too expensive. Other options were the carbon fiber FKX racing steering wheel, which has like red perforated leather on the sides and some carbon fiber at the top and at the bottom. And there was also the most expensive option was the Mugen steering wheel, which is black perforated leather and then carbon on the top and the bottom. But yeah, I went ahead and went with this one. Just wanted an OEM plus look, and it really complements the red shifter boots. And maybe down the line I might go with the carbon fiber or the Mugen. Guys, thank you for watching. That was the install of the Civic Type R steering wheel in a 10th gen Civic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one with any modifications I do to the car. But yeah, see you later, dude.